everybody, this is Sean at All Dreams Travels. Hey, we just checked into a room at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Phoenix, Arizona. Room 908 is the room that I have received tonight. Down here for a conference, but it's a brand new hotel. You can smell the newness right now. This is in, October of 2018. So I'll give you a little quick room tour. So you walk in the hall, the floors, we've got this vinyl flooring in, it's pretty nice. Here in the bathroom, then you transition to a little carpet. Fairly new hotel, so it's got a plug on that side. And then that little hanging thing for clothes, I imagine, to hang a jacket or something. Got a big TV. We got service areas. No drawers. We got a fridge down there. And then you got some kind of racking here. I guess that's what the new drawers are looking like these days. Coffee, little single cup coffee maker. Ice bucket down there. Got a little working desk here with the lamp. Yellow lamp. We got a mirror. And we got some nice little artwork there. Desert scenes. Cooler. The view out the window is just downtown. The Arizona Republic. I think that's the convention center over there. Some street views down there. Got a little lounge chair, couch deal. Looks like a king bed. That's what I selected. Lamps over there. Some little ottomans here. Just one thing that I noticed here was that this is one of those sliding doors that you have for stuff. You slide it to close the bathroom door. And then here's the closet. The thing that's very interesting to me is that how am I going to use that safe down there way on the floor? But anyway, that's where it's at. Just check out the bathroom. Got a nice big shower there. A massage head. Turn twisty. Toilet over here. Some more artwork. A little shelf. Mirror. Size with good lighting. There are the toiletries. Neutrogena. Some Neutrogena soap. And these pull out for drawers. Kind of nice. The hair dryer and some extra toilet paper. And the trash can. Well, that's the room tour. There's the door outside. That's the room tour of 908 in Hampton Inn and Suites in downtown Phoenix, Arizona. We'll see you at the next rope drop.